Morbidity in dengue patient with history of COVID-19 infection, a study from Tertiary Care Hospital in North India. By Deval Brajesh Dubey, Swati Agnihotri, Shilpa Ulhas Vahikar, Shila Kumari Mitra, Kanchan Shrivastava, Amresh Kumar Singh and Ravikant Verma. Background: the coronavirus disease, COVID-19, posed one of the deadliest pandemics since the outbreak of the Spanish flu. The already COVID-19 pandemic burdened nations during epidemics have to cope up with dengue fever too. The continuous circulation of both viruses presented a significant problem for the healthcare system, which struggles with patient triage and prognosis. It suggested that dengue antibodies cross-react with SARS-CoV-2. The coincident incidence of COVID-19 and dengue makes timely patient diagnosis, treatment and disease prevention difficult. However, it's unknown whether patients with previous COVID-19 infection can develop immunity dengue virus. Aim: to study the hematological parameters in patients with active dengue infection and its correlation with past history of COVID-19 infection. Secondary aim: to investigate the effect of previous COVID-19 infection on various hematological parameters in patients with active dengue infection. To investigate previous COVID-19 infection. Effect of 19 infections on morbidity in patients with active dengue infection, evaluation of days of hospital stay, platelet transfusions, etc. Methods: a total of 189 patients were included in our study. The mean age was comparable between the two groups. Group A patients had a higher mean platelet count, 0.68 to 0.00 plus or minus 0.2815 3.33 into 106/CUMM, than Group B patients, 0.54181.21 plus or minus 0.31792.06 into 106/CUMM. Group A had substantially shorter hospital stays, averaging 0.380.83 days versus 3.24 days for Group B. In addition, Group A received a substantial reduction in platelet transfusions. Results: patients with a previous history of COVID-19 infection had significantly lower circulating lymphocyte and monocyte counts, with lymphocytopenia previously described in patients co-infected with SARS-CoV-2. However, patients with no history of previous COVID-19 infection had substantially lower levels of monocytes and lymphocytes compared to those without a history. Conclusion: our research indicates that patients with a prior history of COVID-19 infection have reduced dengue mortality. Patients with previous COVID-19 infections had higher platelet counts, shorter hospital stays, and fewer platelet transfusions than patients with no history of COVID-19 infection. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.